going to work. Okay. This the place to be right here. Look, I see you. Okay. This is my first time here. Okay. I'm gonna be coming here. So one-stop shop. Let's get it. Let's get it in. Let's get it started. Make that money real quick. Of course. No problem. No problem. Yeah, instead of going to all these different trips, like, yeah, it's like just give it all to me at one time. Let's get this over with. Yeah. It's going to Home Depot 20 times and Walmart and Best Buy 50 times. Like, yeah, it's a waste of. It's annoying. This gonna save a lot of time. So it's just these two. Oh no, it's 3. Oh, okay. Look.
6.
Oh, now wait a minute. I better get. How much do it say? How much it is gonna be? Because it said $113.
$113?
That's what it said, but this look like a lot.
Whoa,
Huh? Oh, okay. 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 Okay, sexy. Okay, sexy. In the Coca-Cola hat. Looking good. Oh, y'all both cute. Look. Y'all get all the women, don't you? All the girls. No problem. No problem at all. You got to turn them down. You got to fight them off. Hold up. I'm busy. I got things to do. I got money to make. What? I'll see you when I see you. You better appreciate that. I'm silly. I'm crazy. So this is what we're working with. I picked up some bags from Rody. I work for Rody, but it's a place that you basically can pick up so I have 30 deliveries today, and it's $113 for 30 deliveries. That's not bad. So you can get more money if you do more deliveries, but I think 30 is just enough for me. So I'm here early. It's my first time doing this particular business company, but this is going to last me all day, so that's cool. So that's why it's like Amazon, but it's not Amazon. So we're going to get to it. I got to scan every item, so let's get to it. Off my first package. I'm way out here, way out here, but wait till we get over this hill and we're going to see something really beautiful. Oh, that's the farm. That's the farm. But we gotta see the whole thing. Let me drive down so you all can see. This is what I thought was so beautiful. This view right here is all these trees right here. The birds are chirping, birds are singing. But look at how far, look way in the back. Let me zoom in so you can see. Zoom in so you can see how green it is. The greenery, the landscape is beautiful. It's everything. Look all the way back there. It's trees for miles and miles and miles and miles. But this is a farm right here. This is a farm right here. This is a farm. You know, it's just beautiful to me. And the birds. There's so much land over there. It's just open land. That's somebody's land. They rich. Now look at this house I'm delivering this package off to. The green fields. The green fields got a whole lot of land. The green fields rich. Let's go up here and see what their house look like. But this is the house that I'm dropping this off at. This is nice. This is beautiful. This is nice. This is what a home looks like. Okay, let's get their package. Hopefully it's in here because I've been having issues. They've been messing up. It ain't my fault they messing up. It ain't my fault they messed up. Now they better not take it out on me. This is a nice peaceful life over here, I can see. Anyway, let me find this bag. Now I'm here on a dirt road. This has been more complicated than I thought. up a few times. I can't. So I'm on a dirt road. This has been more complicated than I imagined, but now I'm on the right track. But some of these addresses some of these packages I don't have. Some packages are missing, but but I found some of them, and I drove back and took them back, but I have to mark it as missing, so I gotta let them know when I get back there that but I'm gonna go back there tomorrow or whenever they let me. If they don't let me work, if they let me work with them again, because I gotta let them know that oh, look at that, that's a tree farm. That's a nice. Oh, that must be Christmas trees. There must be Christmas trees. Anyway, oh, there go some more trees. They growing the trees. That's how they grow trees. Okay. Autumn Ridge Growing Farm. It's called a growing farm. That looks like that's some hard work. I'm out here in no man's land, out here with the rich people in the farmland. Oh, look, there's some cows. Some grass-fed cows. Let me get on this road. Let me see where I'm going. I gotta do this right here. Gas station, and the gas is $2.74. Yay, because I'm not even halfway done with these deliveries. I have a long way to go, so I've got to put all my money in this gas tank. All my money. All the money. Howard Lake. So I'm on my second batch, but I had to stop and look at this lake. There's so many lakes where I'm located. I've got to stop at a lake before the day is over and put my feet in a lake. Look how big it is. This looks like the other lake I went to. This is a huge one. This is big. That's huge. It goes all the way over there. That's crazy. It has houses, it has homes connected to it. Let me see. Matter of fact, I don't wanna be in their driveway, but no, I'm gonna wait, because I don't want nobody to try to shoot me and then, be like, what are you doing? What are you doing over here in my driveway? Yeah, but anyway, I'm halfway done right now, so let me get to it. I said by the end of the day, I want to put my foot in the lake. It's a perfect place to do that and wash my hands. See, somebody else must be swimming in here or something. Look at it. It's not too bad either. It's pretty clear. Oh, he's out there. He's out there fishing. Oh. Putting my feet in the lake. Hi. Calling in. Hi. Hello. This is beautiful. So I'm down to 10 packages, so I'm almost done. It's taking longer than I thought it would because I had a little difficulties at the beginning, but now I'm, got it rolling now. So I got only 10 more deliveries. So I'm really out here in the middle of nowhere because this is an old school. And I know I wonder how old that is, but that is way out here in the middle of nowhere. It's called Merribeck School. That's crazy. That's amazing. That's a school. So I'm down to my last package, but now my phone is taking all day to come up with the GPS. My GPS is taking forever to work. So maybe because I'm so far out in the middle of nowhere, and it's a lake back there. I want to go. It's a big ass lake over there. But anyway, I got something to talk about with you all. But I'm almost done. So I did pretty good. I'd rather do this than work a 9 to 5. I'd rather do this than work at a group home with people with behavior issues, with mentally disabled and mentally ill people. I'd rather do this because the time goes by fast, because I'm constantly moving around and I'm seeing different scenery, and this is the only way I would be able to explore the state as a whole. And I love that. For me, I really enjoy it. I can listen to the radio, have my windows down, and don't have nobody fucking with me and giving me a hard time. What? And then I'm still finished early. It's up to me what time I want to work. It's up to me. I get to decide how many hours I want to work. If I want to work 20 hours in one day, 15 hours one day, and then rest on the other day, I could do that. And that's how I want to work. And that's what I'm doing. All praise to the Most High only. Be blessed. Thought the video was over, but I just ran into another lake. They out there on what do you call those? They living their best life. Living their best life. Let me see. There's a dock right here. Look at the dock. I can go over to the dock and put my feet in. I might want to pick up a rock. Look at the dock. Look at the dock. Look at the dock. Oh, it's actually got sand right there. Let me see how clear this water is. It looks clear. Oh my God. You can see to the bottom of it. Oh, it's a clean lake. Oh, look. I want to get one of these rocks. Yeah, it's a rock down there I need to get. Look at it. Oh, water is scary. If water is alive, it's alive. Now, let me get some rocks out of here. Oh, I could just stay here all day. Let me see. Picking up rocks. Look at this one. Look at this black one. Oh, these have to be good stones. They're good stones. Oh yeah, they good stones. It's beautiful. Let me go.